welcome back to Dad's Shed because my parts finally came. So today, Little Cub is gonna get the love it needs. And Dad's working on his dirt bike engine, so he needs a new part, tool, and I might be helping him make it.
Let's get to it.
Yep. So guys, we're finally back to working on Little Cub, and today we have to get this little bugger off, messed up little guy off. So we have the impact driver 9/16, and we're going to get into that.
We're going to turn it for you here. Oh, you got it. You're on.
Ready?
Okay. Good. Off. All right. Got our new pulley.
And now we're putting it on.
Put that spacer on there, Henry.
Spacer going on.
Yep.
I'm only holding it with my hand, so get it hand on. Yeah, I'm going to. And the nut's going on, so don't worry, brother. Alright, do you have the ball pen? Yeah, pull it up some. Ready, Jeremy? Yeah.
Just a few decks, okay?
Good.
Good.
Check it.
Test spin.
Yeah.
Awesome. Lift it up and down. Does it seem loose at all?
Nope. It's tight.
All right. Awesome.
Warm than cement.
Pulley done.
Now that. Let's see how.
So, do you remember what we're testing here?
Fuses.
Fuses. And what are we checking on those?
The ohm.
The ohms, which measures
The resilience every type of metal has to electricity.
close electrical resistance. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So we got our multimeter. Yes, you can look at fuses, but sometimes they do blow and you can't tell. That one's good. Okay, so put that one back in and then check the other one.
Dad.
We've only got 3 fuses on here,
Dad,
so.
the battery is somehow low.
Oh, okay, I'll take care of it. Let me know when it stops. And that one's good.
It's not fuses.
So it's not a fuse. It is very common on riding mowers that their safety sensors stop working. So there's a switch in the seat and a switch on the brake and a switch on the PTO.
And we're going to try and disable the brake and the seat.
All those switches have to be closed, completing a circuit for the starter to work. So we need to check all of those.
Okay.
Okay? So Henry, you can turn that off for now.
Yes, sir.
Still diagnosing the Little Cub. Henry was riding around the other day and it wasn't starting, and I see something that might be our problem. The first sensor we're going to check is right under the seat here. And I remember before Henry was about to hop out and do a slalom course, he was wondering if the seat could move farther forward, so we bumped it forward. But now look at that plug there. You guys see something that might be wrong?
It's against the seat.
It's jammed up against that seat.
That shouldn't be happening.
Well, that might be our problem. We might have cut one of those wires or even shorted it out or something like that.
We have to move the seat back.
So, hold on. We got to lube those rails first. So, grab the WD-40 over there, Henry.
Where is it? I can't
Spray bottle, top of the shelf.
I love doing WD-40.
Okay, and spray it inside the rails. These are the rails.
I know what rails are.
Okay, these are the rails.
Ready?
Both sides. Because we had to like bang on the seat last time to get it to move. Soak it. Hard to have too much WD-40.
It's dripping down into my floor.
That's fine. We can clean that up. Get that top one there.
I'm going to. Ready? I want to do one.
That's good. That's good. I'll change what I said. You can have too much when you're just being wasteful. Now you're being wasteful.
Sorry, just making sure.
All right.
Okay, now we gotta.
So put it down, and you see where the lever is?
Yeah.
Underneath the seat there.
Right here.
I think you lift up on it and then push the seat back at the same time.
Nope, it ain't moving. You lift up, I'll push.
There you go. Definitely slid
There
a
we
lot
go.
better
Yeah.
than before. All right, let's check those wires then.
How do I supposed to check wires?
Well, you take a look at them. All right.
Oh yeah, wait.
So
Oh no.
this pops off. See that?
Wow. Yeah.
Get a flathead screwdriver and just pry that up, and then the plug should slide down. And then we can take a better look at those wires. Oh, you got it.
Got it.
All right. So on the back side, how do they look?
Wait. Yeah, there's just a lot of gunk and
Grass.
I don't
Definitely
think,
some flat spots.
I don't think that many are damaged. Like, it should.
Energy meter thing.
No, because you can't touch wires. There's rubber on them.
Okay.
Can check the wire.
Should I plug it back in?
Now,
Let's see if it's.
go ahead. Plug it back in. See if that makes a difference. Sometimes all you gotta do is wiggle wires.
Should I try starting it?
Go ahead. Won't hurt anything.
Fair enough. No. Yeah, you might want to move that.
Jim, can you grab the multimeter, please?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Let's see if I did it.
Okay.
Nope.
All right.
I have one on the brake.
I'm not that.
This is how kids occupy themselves when Dad's checking the service manual to see how to fix something.
Hey, you hit me!
Well, first pass is not straight. So we're going to try again, okay?
Dad here. What I'm trying to teach Jim is
Use the
consistent,
visor.
controlled
Use
handling of the
the
equipment.
first one as a guide,
This
okay?
gas make setup we're using is a little different than what we're used to. The gun is heavier and the gun cable is heavier and less flexible than the other MIG unit that we're used to using. That's just going to take some practice on all of our parts, and then our welds will be improving. Yes, I know the welding surface and the material are not as clean as they should be. That's going to come up in another lesson, and they'll be able to actually see the difference in their welds instead of just listening to their old man lecture them on how it should be done. And yes, I made a mistake. The gas is turned on, but I failed to check the pressure. Somebody else, that guy who seems to spend a lot of time in my house, lowered the gas pressure to 0. Once I started welding myself, I realized that and made adjustments.
Again.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a couple days and now we've been able to lift it up and look at what's going wrong. The main reason why it won't start is because the brake switch is broken.
Where's that, Jim?
Right here.
And there's supposed to be a bracket there, but it snapped off. So we're either gonna bypass the switch or fabricate.
Yeah, fabricate a new bracket or bypass the switch. We'll have to see, because that is in a very tricky spot. We actually had to put the tractor up on the forks of the bigger tractor just so we could get underneath and see it. Kind of ridiculous how difficult that is to get to.
Yeah, so we might even have to take off one of the body panels, but we'll get it done.
And while we were under here, we found out the problem we were having with the go pedal and the backwards pedal.
One of the linkages is broken a bit. Henry, could you press on the go pedal, please? Yep.
Wait to work.
Focus on this one right here.
Here, Jim, you take it.
Ready?
It's already recording.
Ready?
Yeah. So, he's pressing it forward,
I just let go.
but when he lets go, it doesn't move.
Show it again, Henry.
Go again.
Hold on, I need to get the brake first.
The brake goes back, but it goes back too slow.
That doesn't move. And then
That's not supposed to happen.
brake. Alright, and now look at reverse.
And in reverse,
It goes back very slowly.
again, very slow.
So we're gonna fix all this up.
Good news is it's an easy fix, but it does mean ordering parts and waiting for them to come in.
Which means I won't be driving it in a while.
No, you won't.
And I'm very sad. So sadly, I'm not going to be driving this for a while because we have to buy parts and wait for them to come. But we're going to be fixing the brake, the shuttle linkage, all the fluids and filters, and we might give it all new tires. It's still thinking about it.
Sounds good. And then maybe we'll redo that competition to see who's better on a lawnmower course. Thanks for watching. If anybody's wondering about the tool Dad needed to make, here it is.